What?
You're gonna have to put more power steering fluid in it. We just sucked it all up.
Okay. Here you go, bro.
Is that an oil leak or a water leak? We do have an abnormal drip now. Drip on my fingers. Tell me what you are. Okay. Okay, you're nothing. That's water running down the line. Good. Okay. I want to make sure.
No, I feel you.
Bad seals, we ain't running no more if you got a bad seal, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I feel you. Fuck that. Why cause more problems? Okay. Okay, drink it all up, girl. That's the last I got, bitch. There you go.
Well, it looks way fucking better. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and fire that bitch up. Now do the steering wheel thing a couple of times. Yep, forward, yep. Alright, straighten her out, straighten it out. So, yep, set it off. Yeah, that's good news. Good. Beautiful. Yeah, now let's just start it back up. I think your power steering's fine. If you do have a leak, like it runs out, get the power steering fluid that has that stop leak stuff in it.
Yeah.
Because it is normal for